Cristiano Ronaldo doesn't fly commercial. This is his jet, the Gulfstream G650, a $75 million symbol of speed, power, and elite dominance. The G650 reaches Mach 0.925, one of the fastest private jets ever built. Even at cruise, it flies faster than most jets at full throttle. 7,000 nautical miles, non-stop across continents. From Europe to America without stopping. Every flight saves hours. Time is power. This jet costs more than most mansions. Powered by twin Rolls-Royce engines, smooth and ruthless. Each engine delivers nearly 17,000 pounds of thrust. It climbs fast, reaching the sky in minutes. Speed without waste. Engineered efficiency. One of the most advanced cockpits in private aviation. Pilots see terrain even in zero visibility. Infrared eyes for night and fog. The jet constantly optimizes fuel, speed, and weather. Fully digital controls, precise and safe. Every system has backups, triple protected. Storms are detected before they become threats. In emergencies, the jet reacts instantly. Built with aerospace-grade strength. Certified to the highest global standards. A flying luxury apartment. Comfortably seats Ronaldo's inner circle. Seats that turn into beds. Cristiano travels with a private suite. Even the bathroom feels 5-star. Fresh meals at 40,000 feet. One of the quietest jets ever built. 16 windows flood the cabin with light. Tailored to Ronaldo's taste, this jet carries Cristiano's signature. Connected anywhere in the world. Business never stops. Cinema in the sky. Everything controlled with one touch. Silence equals comfort. Only the elite fly this. Access airports others can't. No delays, no waiting. The world becomes smaller. This is not transport. This is dominance. Cristiano Ronaldo doesn't chase time. He owns it.